To work them legs out today?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Because you're gonna need it.
For your brakes?
You're gonna need it today. I'm telling you right now.
You're gonna bleed it.
You're
as long
gonna
as
get.
I'm not cracking it open, that's fine.
No, that.
As long as you didn't install the
That's
caliper
the
backwards
easy.
too.
That's the easy
That's
job.
fine.
Cracking them open is the easy job. Yeah.
Humble is easy for me.
Oh, is that?
Let's see who has more leg day, me or you. I think me. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Look at that leg.
We're gonna find out. Alright, so brakes are installed and we are ready to bleed them. We're doing a little cooking, so we're gonna go ahead and bleed these brakes while we're waiting on that corn to finish, and then we can fire it up, do a little adjustments, and go drive it around for a little bit, huh?
Yep, first test drive back.
Yeah, first test drive back. Then from there, man, I need to get it aligned and then start putting all the trim on it, and I think we can start eyeing a good day to go test it.
Yep. Roll it out or what?
We can, yeah.
Just put it in neutral, I'll push it. Ready? Is it neutral?
Yeah, push.
This fucking
Push.
street car, what?
Push, Daddy.
It's not a neutral.
It's a neutral, dude.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright, this car's not moving.
Push it. It's in neutral.
Big fucker, dude.
It's in neutral.
I'm trying to put it apart.
Yeah, it's in part. It's definitely dragging on something.
Alright, brakes. Maybe because you're new. Pads are new.
Think so?
Yeah. I mean, you'll find out as soon as you start driving.
Yeah. Are you moving the screw?
Not moving. I don't think it's even moving. Try it. I've learned the ways to get in your car now. Before I used to struggle when I was a young Padawan.
Is that so?
Yes. Y'all don't know, guys, it's a job to get in here.
It's not a job.
It's a job.
Is it a job?
Yes.
why it didn't move in neutral. Because there's some sort of... Hi.
Okay, getting out of here was a different story, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh.
Take it off.
We'll
call that maiden voyage.
Grinded his new parts. So you need to get a shot over here. Look at this. All right there. Brand new parts. Ooh, that stings.
I'm just curious because he seemed pretty hesitant to get in the car with real power. Doesn't even know how to take the steering wheel off.
Oh, you always get mad at me for this one.
Oh God. Try not to grind my flywheel down, please. First of all, you didn't even turn the fan or cool or.
Why would I need to turn them on?
I'm just saying you should turn them on all the time, regardless. Because if you don't get used to doing it, if you don't get used to doing it,
I don't know why
that one day you're gonna overheat it.
Has a Holly.
You almost overheated my car that one day you were tuning on just because you kept forgetting to do it.
At the dyno?
Yeah.
We had bigger problems then.
You know the steering wheel comes off, right? I'm just curious if you knew that. That's fine. That's cool.
I'm thinking about giving you one, but I don't want to. Too early.
The seatbelt's on the rocker. Seatbelt.
What's up?
Nothing.
It pops still when you open it. Sometimes.
It doesn't help that it's riding on the seatbelt, but that's cool.
Oh. That's another scratch on this car.
That's so rude.
Why are you putting your seatbelt on? He acts like this. He's gonna make hits in this thing.
I don't want to get pulled over.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna be like, "That is not a fucking seatbelt, sir. It's a freaking race harness."
At least I have something.
I'm gonna rat you out as soon as he pulls over. He was gonna go really fast over. I'm so sorry.
I swear, I don't want to go to jail.
I said I don't want to go to jail.
Car stayed cool, even though it's kind of hot out. It's not really daylight, so it's not too hot, but car stayed cool. Got to finish the transmission temperature switch so we can monitor that. But other than that, feels good. Pulls pretty good for, you know, wastegate. So yeah, eager to take it out, huh?
Yeah, man. It looks good.
Good fix today.
130 pounds out of it, not 28.
Yeah.